Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on replacing the panel and blade of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Now, let's dive into the process. 1. Unplug the Thermomix, safety first. Make sure your Thermomix is unplugged before you start any repairs. 2. Remove the base. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws located at the bottom of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. 3. Open the housing. Gently lift the base to access the internal components. Be careful not to force it open to avoid damaging any clips. 4. Disconnect the panel. Locate the panel connection inside. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the panel connector away from the main board. Take note of the orientation for reassembly. 5. Remove the old panel. Once disconnected, lift the panel out of the housing. Inspect the area for any dirt or residue and clean it thoroughly with a damp cloth. 6. Install the new panel. Place your new panel into the housing, ensuring it aligns correctly with the connectors. Press gently until it clicks into place. 7. Reconnect the panel. Take the connector you previously detached and firmly reconnect it to the main board. Make sure it's secured properly to prevent any loose connections. 8. Remove the blade. Now, let's move on to the blade. Carefully unscrew the blade assembly using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember that these screws can be small, so keep them organized. 9. Inspect and clean. Before installing the new blade, inspect the area for any debris. Clean the compartment with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance. 10. Install the new blade. Take your new blade and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. 11. Reassemble the Thermomix. Place the base back onto the housing and secure it with the screws you initially removed. Ensure everything is tightened properly to avoid loose parts. 12. Final checks. Before plugging in the Thermomix, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws. If this process seems overwhelming, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or the time, we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, making it a hassle-free experience. 13. Testing the Thermomix. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem. 14. Final cleaning. Once confirmed, give the exterior a quick clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Your Thermomix TM31 is now ready to use with its new panel and blade. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Enjoy cooking with your newly serviced Thermomix. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.